Hello everyone, it's me Shaahid and welcome to Landscaping with Shaahid. Today we're going to see about how to become a landscape architect. If you're seeing me for the first time, do subscribe. Let me make it easy for you. To become a landscape architect, you need to complete some degrees. First, Bachelor's of Architecture, which is BArch, or Bachelor's in Landscape Architecture, which is BLA, or Bachelor in Science Landscape Architecture, which is called BSLA. If you have done the UG degree, you can go for a postgraduate, which is called Masters in Landscape Architecture MLA. There is one more course called Horticulture, will help you to become a landscape architect as well. But honestly speaking, you don't really have to study all this. All I am saying is you need to have interest in landscape designing. What is landscape designing? Basically, enhancing the garden, enhancing the outdoor spaces. You need to be really interested. You need to be really interested in sketching. If you're really good at sketching, you're already a landscape architect. Trust me, you have become a landscape architect. It's not true that if you have all these degrees, you will get a job in Dubai. You need to develop your skills. You need to develop your ideas in landscaping designing. You need to develop how to solve the villa landscaping design. That is what is really important. But definitely you need a basic degree to enter into this field. But definitely you need to learn landscaping through practice, through designing daily. Landscape architect is all about understanding the problems of the space. What the client really needs. How can we satisfy him? What kind of landscape does the client require? This is what is going to make you as a real landscape architect. Coming to plants, you need to have a basic understanding of all the plants which grow in your native. For example, if you're looking for a job in Dubai, you need to know the plants which grows in Dubai, which is very, very important to become a landscape architect in Dubai. Plants doesn't stop there. It means it's a whole package. It covers the shrubs, the trees, the palms, also the ground covers and all the grasses. Let me talk about the softwares. To become a landscape architect, you need to know some basic softwares. AutoCAD, SketchUp, Lumion. Or you can use any other rendering softwares like D5, 3ds Max, but I prefer Lumion to render my projects. When you become a landscape architect, you take the complete responsibility of the materials, from designing to the execution. You have to decide it while designing. Only the landscape architect can decide what type of materials will be used in his design, which is very important, is the key responsibility role of a landscape architect. Hope this video is useful for the people who wants to become a landscape architect. If you like more contents like this regarding landscaping, do subscribe. And thank you. I'm Shaahid and welcome to Shaahid with Landscaping. Oh.